Today I'm going to show you how to transform your home for autumn for under $65, along with some other fun DIYs along the way. And stick around because my toddler has his very own DIY that he would like to share with you. Let's jump right in. First up, you're going to need a tiny frame, a tiny pumpkin, and a tiny holder, all from the Dollar Tree. Bonus if you can get a pack of leaves. Just put it together and voila, a grand total of $4. And here's another variation for $3. Well, these days, give or take 25 cents. And yet another variation for a whopping total of $3.75. For my son's DIY, you're going to need a frame, some little bales of hay from the Dollar Tree, as well as the pack of leaves that come with acorns. Put the bales of hay inside the frame. Arrange them in any way that makes you happy.
And the brown in the cup. And the brown in the cup.
Once that's complete, feel free to add leaves and acorn for a festive finish. Ta-da! Next one, you're going to need a bunch of flowers from the Dollar Tree, a vase you have laying around, and also a holder from the Dollar Tree. You can find these in the container sections of your Dollar Tree. I also had this Mr. and Mrs. sign from our wedding, so you can use whatever you have. If you have some fairy lights, this will also work perfectly. Feel free to put here the things you use the most, such as hand sanitizer, keys, anointing oils, whatever you wish. If you don't like the stems showing, another option is to put leaves covering the stems. This will cost you a grand total of $3, give or take 25 cents. If you don't have a vase, then it will be $4. Here is another variation if you have a tiny pumpkin and a little frame. Next up, you can use another bunch of flowers from the Dollar Tree and a bucket. I also got this at the Dollar Tree. Depending how many flowers you use, this can cost you anywhere from $5 to $10. It's so easy to put together, but it looks super cute. Don't you think? And here's the final result. To elevate this look even further, if you have a big vase, put another vase inside of it upside down and simply place your arrangement at the top. Here's another view. Upside down vase, arrangement at the top. You get a tall and elegant look for less. This also works with real flowers as well. Now we're going to put these elements together for an autumn porch that wows, on a budget, of course. If the area you're placing this at has leaves in it, be sure to give it a quick sweep for a seamless finish. Next, you're going to put some rugs down. Just use whatever ones you have, but I did get these gorgeous and cute ones from Amazon. I will link it down below if you're interested. This little table I had and this gorgeous reed I also got from Amazon. It does light up. It's pretty cool. And to hang it, I took a string from a balloon. I tied it up, hung it behind my door on an upside down hook, also from the Dollar Tree, and I used a stool to reach it. It also works if you have a nail. Ta-da! Easy as pumpkin pie. Here's that vase we already made, along with the other vase at the bottom. Here's me trying to decide which look looks best. What do you think? A chair or a little table? Or both? Let me know in the comments down below. Before we reveal the final look at this awesome keyring that I have. It keeps me hand-free as a mom with 2 boys 2 and under. And look at this clasp, it is so strong. This is not sponsored or anything, but I just love this so much. It keeps me hand-free and I never have to worry about losing my keys. I'll link it down below if you're interested. And now for the final look. What do you think? All of this for under $65. I will link everything down below, but please do not go outside your budget and feel free to use the things that you already have at hand. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe for more affordable ways to upgrade your home. And if you know somebody that could use this video, please feel free to share with them. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.